Hello, this is Jonathan doing another one of these video blogs for you Cincinnati people. On today's blog we're going to have a look at what's happening on this Sunday. Oh, what's happening this Sunday? It's an emergency! It's an emergency! It's the government's windy here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, oh, ho, 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 ho. Everybody's got to stand up and listen. On Sunday the 23rd at 3 p.m. is an emergency. Oh yeah, it will be sent to everybody's mobile phone. It's by the government, you know. Oh yeah, it's an emergency. This service will warn you about the dangers of serious flooding, fires and bad weather. I think it's going to be a bit serious than that. It's going to be more sinister. Now I've got to scroll my auto cue. Don't want to move my headphones, I want to move my mouse. Let's scroll down. So there we go, we're going to find out how to disable this on your mobile phone. It's an emergency!